learning target this unit is I can add and subtract three-digit numbers using place value. Your success criteria for today is I will know I'm successful when I can add three-digit numbers and make new groups of 1,000. How does knowing place value help me when I add three-digit numbers? Be thinking about this question as we go through the lesson today. Here's a problem, 500 plus 500. I'm going to draw a model so it's very clear how we make new thousands. I have 5 100s and 5 100s. And when I add that up, that adds up to 10 100s. So let's count. I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, but we wouldn't normally say 1000, we would say 1000. So 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. In my equation, it looks like this. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 in the tens place is 0. And 5 plus 5 is 10 100s. 10 100s we know is 1,000. So I'm going to have 0 10 hundreds and 1 new 1,000. And I'm just going to add that down. 1 plus 0 is 1 1,000. Let's look at a problem that's a little more difficult. And when we do, let's be thinking about when we make a new 10, a new 100, and a new 1,000. First, I start in the ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0, so I do not need to make a new 10. I'm just going to write my 0. Now I'm going to do the tens. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 tens makes 100. So yes, I do need to make 100. That's going to be 0 leftover hundreds, and there's my new 100. Now I'm going to add the hundreds place. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus this new 100 is 10. 10 100s, we just decided, makes 1,000. So yes, I do need to make 1,000. I'm going to have 0 leftover hundreds and a new 1,000. 1 plus 0 is 1,000. Here's a problem for you to try. Pause the video, solve the problem, and think about if you needed to make a new 10, a new 100, or a new 1,000. Pause the video now. All right, how did you do? Well, hopefully yours looks something like this. Start in the ones place. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 13 is greater than 10. So I'm going to group 10 of those ones together to make a new 10. So it will look like this. There's my 3 leftover ones and my new 10. Now I'm going to do the tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is not enough to make a brand new 100. So I do not need to make a new 100. I can just write my 4 tens. Now the hundreds. 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 hundreds is greater than 1,000. 10 of those hundreds will make a new 1,000. So I'm going to leave the 1. I am going to make a new 1,000, and I'm going to leave the 1 leftover 100 here. And I took 10 of the hundreds out of my 11 to make a new 1,000. So I have 1 plus 0 is 1. 1,143. That's the total. Here's a couple problems to solve on your own. Please solve these problems on paper. You can pause the video to write them down and put your answers in Google Classroom. There will be a post for you to do so. Your learning target today was I can add and subtract three-digit numbers using place value. Your success criteria was I will know I'm successful when I can add three-digit numbers and make new groups of 1,000. And hopefully by now you've learned how to make new groups of 1,000. Here's your math to-do list. If you need extra practice, you can watch the extra tutorial videos in Google Classroom. Complete the practice pages in Seesaw, and then go to iknowit.com and complete one of your assignments. Have fun.